Hey everybody, Craig here. Another cutting video today. We have this ash tree right here. I'll show you it in a second, but it's broke off about 20 feet up from a windstorm, probably sometime this late summer or sometime in the fall. I don't really know for sure. The top of it has already been cut up. I'll show you that. But today we're going to try and take down this this stem, I guess you could call it. Being that there's no top on it, I'm gonna have to use some wedges probably just to get it to fall. But shouldn't be no problem. We'll see how it goes. So yeah, I'll show you the whole thing here. So I don't know, it's maybe about 20 feet, but decent size at the base, maybe close to 14, 15 inches. I'm not really sure. Yeah, all the top of it fell this way and cut that up a couple months ago. Ignore there's some ironwood on top. That's ironwood. Ash at the bottom. So a lot of good wood in it, and we're gonna try and take down the rest of it today. I don't remember if I said it or not, but this is not a how-to video. Not a professional. If you have any suggestions for what I should do differently, feel free to comment. Thanks. Echo 501P, 18-inch bar. Should be warmed up. overall, that went fine. Does make you nervous though, because I mean, I really didn't think it was going to fall back on me. But again, when there's no weight up top, it's all just sitting straight down. So a gust of wind, or I misjudged how much weight was actually on one side or the other. So a little nerve-wracking. Didn't want to fall down on me or the four-wheelers back here too. But no, went perfect. The wedges did their job. We'll get to bucking up. about 13 inch. Yeah, about 13 inches. So there we go. Real nice stuff. Nice and dry. Yeah, that when it's dry ash is very hard to cut. And the chain is sharp. Get some pretty good chips there. I don't know how good you'll be able to see them. So chain was sharp, but yeah, it's tough cutting stuff. But real nice rounds, no knots, no branches to deal with. So it'll split into some real awesome stuff. I'm gonna load it up, sit tight. Load it up. Well, if I had to guess, it's close to half a face cord there. All, again, real nice stuff. Will split awesome. Will either be campfire wood for the summer or I'll sell it for heating wood in the fall. That's yet to be determined. All right. Thanks for watching. See y'all later. Bye.